Which part ahead of who?
Still started from here.
Still
Which part
starting
ahead
here.
of who here?
Him. That's
Okay,
me.
so you're following you.
Yeah. That means I'll follow.
Which one of you are following him?
Me.
Black car's following you. White car's following the black car.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay,
Can't
so
stagger
then
it,
I'd
but-
say I'm following the black car or the white car, and Carter's following me.
All the lane, so no change, and we're gonna go slowly. We're not crawling, but we're just gonna go at a.
Quarter
Top-
trigger.
Front car sets the speed, and everyone else try to maintain it.
Yeah,
That's easy.
there you go.
Okay.
Go!
Beautiful.
This is what Evan can't do. I don't know why.
He's probably too impatient. He wants to go fast.
That doesn't even explain it.
So the big crash is
not
on the
fair.
second. The big crash is on the second lap. Same
Not
place, same everything, but the second lap. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, so the leader here is it's Bill,
Okay.
according to this. At least what we got
Pass
here.
me.
Where's
that?
That's me.
Where's Bill on the track?
That's Carter's ahead.
Ah,
Right there. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
But
Oh!
That didn't sound good.
one has to
No.
agree here, and
Yeah,
that's
it was-
car.
it
Whose
was
car
doing
is that?
weird things
Six.
earlier.
So your
This
car
was a lot.
is six. Yours down a lap.
That one's supposed to be
Not really.
Okay, because it was doing automatic lane changes on me.
Yeah, I got a couple of them.
Okay.
Where am I? You're invisible.
Right there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
The
you
lights
track.
acting.
Okay, ready?
One red LED
Yes.
on the top.
Here we go. Red, oh yeah. What? I know, it makes sense.
The red and the green. Yeah.
What?
Nice.
Again.
Fix that lane changer.
This one?
Yeah, straighten them out.
To the side.
This side?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
And would
Thank
you put
you.
Martin just over the?
Like here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Here we go.
Don't spin my tires. Nice. Uh-oh.
Head up.
What happened?
I tried to brake and seemed to fail.
Ready?
And the brake and broke.
Here we go.
I think my tires are more slippery. Maybe they just haven't warmed up.
Save. Ah.
Sorry.
Or maybe just the power differential between having so many people on.
Ready?
Yep.
Ah, flag. Nice.
This
3 out of 4. Not bad. Yes, just over. Hit.
Such an idiot.
Ready?
Yes.
Never mind. There we go.
But it's
Okay,
catching
here we go.
3 out of 4 cars. Every time we hit it, somebody gets nailed.
Oh!
Flag. Hold up.
Oh!
Oh, thanks. I'll make sure to go full throttle. Okay. Ready? Ah. Flag.
gonna change lanes. It's like, oh wait, crash,
Yeah.
crash, wait.
God damn it.
Ready.
This fucking
Yes.
car again. Yeah, you get used to that. Never. That was
Whose
not.
car is this?
Shit. Mine. I was driving the wrong car again. Thanks.
Oh!
Flag.
What the hell made me crash there?
Karma.
Might have been.
I was not.
I don't know.
Yeah, you
can
need to change.
yeah, can you
Oh, yeah.
fix that, please?
Just drive slower.
Going is trying to go through here fast and suddenly encountering a lane change.
Yeah, if you
Well,
drive
yes.
slower, you won't like
I
change
just
lanes.
nailed
You won't
Anthony.
change lanes if you don't hit the button.
was driving the
either.
wrong
You should
one.
be able to drive right through it.
No,
It
but
was
if your
stuck.
sensor's not
It was
on,
stuck,
no,
it was
over
stuck
here.
on a lane change.
If your sensor's not on, and you
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
drive over
yeah,
it,
and that's
it
why
won't
it keeps
Yes.
happening, turn after
Let's
turn
go.
after turn.
Yeah.
Okay. So is that
Oh,
the same
well,
car
I think-
twice now? Okay.
Yes.
So half
I
the
had
cars.
no
I
idea.
think
the
that
button
was
pressed
me that time.
Okay, half the cars have had that happen to them, and you twice of the. So,
I'm
But-
a winner. Whew, I don't feel so bad now. I got
okay,
Schwartz, right?
it's you three. You three have all lost. Yeah.
Okay.
Where's my car? Even.
Oh, right
There
there.
it is.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ready.
Flag.
Going for the tap.
Okay. Here we go.
Seriously.
Zip right on.
Without touching it.
Yeah.
Here's the goal. Here's the goal.
Nice. Not so nice.
Nice. That's 2 wrong.
Okay, it's the two. Yeah.
Well, how can you?
Because when you hear the beep, it's 2 seconds.
Yeah.
So that means when you're about in here, you ought to think about lightening up as you approach the finish line.
Never.
Exactly.
Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Do you want to straighten out the yellow one?
There's no straightening out cars.
No, that's pointless. Okay,
That's
here we
still
go.
one.
Never mind. I'm so killed for that. Oh, lucky me. Hey, what happened? Where's your car? You're out of
I couldn't
position.
get there.
He tried.
Here we go.
Oh, come on. Getting out, I'm coming for you. Will not. Oh, jacket fell.
Oh no! Sorry. I don't know if I got it. It doesn't matter anyway.
Okay.
Ready? Here we go. Was that the race?
He double
No,
pressed it.
you
More
like
time.
it?
More time.
kinda. Somehow.
He double pressed it.
You feel that lack of power there, Martin?
Say again?
Did you feel that lack of power as it turns?
Yeah, I felt something.
It like bogged down real fast. Flag.
Well, please.
You know, I was trying to avoid that by staying back
Okay.
to let your tail
Ready.
tail go out.
Yeah.
Just so you can hit the gas pedal.
Oh,
good try. Good try.
I
You didn't die with that?
No,
Oh, wow. I thought you were dead.
I did too. You.
Oh.
Put me over as well. I got knocked out.
How many cars we got going over here?
Oh, man.
did that to me.
Oh, you're by myself.
I don't know. I had no control. I was
innocent.
tumbling.
Okay, here we go.
Not exactly my fault. Well, this car is like got a flat tire or something.
Button.
It's sliding on one turn and not the other. One direction and not the other direction. What is it?
Okay,
A grip
here we go.
on the left. With the right hand turn on
Fuck
second.
button.
Fuck button.
Fuck button.
I need one.
1.5
definitely need
seconds.
one of
So if you
those.
crash again, just let it go.
1.5. 1.54.
Okay, here we go.
Perfect.
Do you hear all the buttons going then? I had to hit the button.
4165.
Who's 6? Is that you, Trevor?
Trevor. 6. 6.
That's our separation right there.
416532.
I didn't realize there was anyone else on my lap. Thought I was
Actually, believe it or not, I only had 2 crashes that entire race, which is
Very
astonishing.
good. Only 2 people got lapped right times because apparently everyone else got dee dee.
And my best lap is what? 0.05.
Yeah, exactly. 0.18. Yes, well done.
I got
Little button?
10.1.
Yeah, little button.
Oh, away we go. Oh,
Different cars. What do you
man.
think?
I'm out.
I'm jamming on these cars.
you out?
Out here. No. I fell out of the groove.
Oh. I got one more.
One more?
One
Let's
more.
line them up and do it again.
Rolling or
No,
I should be in back. Also, don't roll it backwards. Thanks.
And Mark,
I've already
you
had
also
a
roll?
couple of going the wrong ways.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, he'll win without it.
You sling your shit over there? Cock gobbling.
One down?
Joel, do you need a cane? Sure.
How's that one? You got it? Where's
Can you reach it without touching the tires?
jacket?
Can you reach it without touching the tires? Wait for Trevor. Don't hurt
Okay.
yourself.
No problem. I'm not
I just don't
gonna-
want you to get your
Come on,
hands on the
come on.
tires and put oil
No, I
on.
wouldn't do that.
Which tires?
The front. I mean the rear.
What do you think?
I would not put it past him.
Did you? There was some comedian that says, "Do you mind if may I have a sip from or a drink from your glass?" The customer says, "Sure." He takes it, starts laughing, then puts the mouth on his mouth. All contents going in and out. Thank you very much.
It's like
Okay.
Like that car ad where the guy licks the handle of the car.
Yeah.
Interesting.
There is a phenomenal ad that was running in Germany when I was living there, where this guy and he pulls up in this parking lot and he's in like a Volkswagen. He's sitting with the girl's next to him. And he looks at her and she looks at him, and then she just sort of goes down. And you just see it from outside the car, and you just see her like this. And he's like, and she's going down the stick shift, and it says, "Do you need glasses?" It's for an optometrist.
Oh, that's awesome.
The visual on that is
Yes.
wonderful.
You probably find that on the top 10s or
It
whatever
was
funny
awesome.
is.
You'd never get
That's
that name
great.
in America.
No,
Okay.
Okay.
It's that time again.
No sense of humor.
Okay. 20 minutes. There we go.
Oh no. Please, no.
Oh my God! Like
Pretty nice. What was the button hit?
But
Did
it's
that
like,
get
yeah,
a lap?
I got it.
yes, you did.
Alright.
Your
Okay.
car 3,
Roll.
you're 0.43 seconds
Thank you.
Fast you can.
Okay.
You can let it turn.
Here we go.
Go away!
What? Oh.
Who might you be talking about?
I don't.
I will not go away.
Okay. Here we go.
Flag.
See, I didn't even hear the
Gee.
button initially get hit, just you saying flag. But
Yeah.
it's like,
That's why I
get
said it so
screwed
fast.
out
Here we go.
all that fuck point over here, get ahead.
Oh no, Bill! I am sorry, dude.
I had to
That was
change lanes
an
just so I
unintentional
could
lane
smack you
change.
once.
I
I
tried.
owe you. I'll take out Martin just for that.
Oh, you'll do it just on a general principle.
No, I'm
This
good.
one,
I'm good.
He made it.
he made it.
He just crawled. He crept over.
I thought it was gonna end sooner
Crept
than
in,
actually
crapped,
did.
and crept out again. Okay,
Should've
here
just
we go.
gone.
Shit.
Ah!
What the fuck, man?
What?
I didn't change lanes there.
I didn't change lanes there.
Ready.
Yes.
Wow, I didn't break there at all.
Straight through the intersection or the turn, huh?
Are you following my car? Do it all the time.
No!
Insult to injury.
Yeah, because once wasn't enough. Thank you.
Uh-oh. Okay, here we go.
Oh, fuck me.
No.
Oh,
I
That's what she
probably
said.
missed it.
I didn't hear the beat.
no,
I
he
didn't
he
either.
didn't get it.
What?
He didn't get it.
Okay.
It's alright, I'll be three laps behind anyway.
Is he second place?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Yeah, he is second place actually.
He won't be when I
Because he
cross
will
the
be.
line.
Because he will be as soon as he goes across. He
Yeah.
will be.
That's cool.
There we go.
I haven't crashed.
Good. That's great. Then you were in the
Here
correct
we go.
place.
Flag. Right in front of you.
Can somebody fix that lane changer, please?
This one?
No, the one right in front of. There you go.
It's already. It's correct already.
Now it's
Oh,
second
Now it's not.
Can
He
you
fixed
fix
it for you.
But good.
Okay.
I just do some.
Martin?
What?
Can you please fix me? Thank you.
Okay, ready.
Somehow I was able to thread the needle there.
It's like I
I
went
threaded it
right
differently.
across, and then it was just like, whee!
Okay, ready.
If only I had slid a little far. You watched me again, didn't you? Like,
Okay. Here we go.
oh, I'm sorry.
There you are.
And I'm stuck now, so.
Good. So you fucking
Yeah,
did.
it is my camera.
You almost spun around.
Almost.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Fuck.
Oh.
Right.
I
cars
know.
go behind. Does anybody disagree with that? Or should,
Yes.
if you want, I will put every crash car in front of the cars.
By the way,
Definitely
I'm
want shooting
fine.
in back.
I just got taken out there by the other car who took me out. It's like, okay, fine, I'll go in the back.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We'll give Martin a little.
I'm sorry you got taken out. Honestly, but
Okay, shall we go?
That's
But I'm a dickhead, so fuck you.
is that what's going on? What do you do? 'Cause I mean, like I said, I can be a dick and just put the crash cars in front of the other cars. Which doesn't make any sense
Pretty sure you're gonna be a dick no matter what.
Someone has to hit the flag.
I didn't.
You didn't.
Hit
Thank
the
you.
flag.
I said somebody has to.
Oh.
Cause
Okay.
Well, I was the
I'm not
last
fixing
one
it.
in that
Ready?
accident. I figured it had already been done.
Yeah.
Let's have a race to keep some cryo ladders.
You need
That's
more
what
than
I'm
roll
doing.
in the shot.
Oh, actually. Ready?
oh, I'm glad I held back on that one.
Fuck, fuck.
Ready?
Okay, yes, indeed.
Look out, around the corner.
Okay, here we go.
Is the Creedence Clearwater Revival version, or it's going to be...
Jacket foul again!
I may need to put...
Yeah.
Sorry.
I was like,
I made the ultimate sacrifice.
alright, let
Okay.
me stand on it.
Now it's with you with it.
No, we're
Does
good.
this-
So I passed the line. I
Okay.
just couldn't get any further.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The kill screen.
Ready?
You hit that invisible wall. Oh, you bastard.
Under bumpers.
Yeah, I mean...
Okay.
Mhm.
Here we go.
Oh, flag.
What was that? Gordons are going
No,
out.
no, hold on. I didn't cross the finish line.
He was
He
on my
carried
roof.
me.
as I went over.
He carried me across the finish line.
Just
How
trying
about
to
the
help
other
you.
one?
He
I was trying to
crossed
push
it.
it back on, but I
Yeah.
I was trying to give you a
Okay.
handicap.
Yeah,
So,
seriously.
Here we go.
Ready?
I thought you
Here
were
we go.
handicapped.
give you a ride. I made it a stop.
Whoops.
Well, technically you both did.
Oh, flag.
May I have a push, please? Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
Button.
Okay, here we go.
Flag.
Good job.
It's going a little too
14,
fast.
15 seconds left. Here we go.
Alright.
Wait, let me crash this one. Ah. Oh, come on. There he goes.
Thank God.
That's why.
I enjoyed that last
Yeah,
little
you
bit
just
with
like
you there,
riding
Bill.
on top of people's cars. The lazy driver technique.
Yeah, exactly.
I was just going a little too fast when I tried to bump him.
So wait a minute, I want some confirmation. Was I being a dick by what I did here
Oh,
with
yeah,
this
you're
crash?
totally
No, so-
No,
okay.
fuck you.
Here's
Here's
why
well
here's
done.
what Carter was trying to say.
Nobody
Saying
listens
he
to
was
me up
looking
here. I
out.
don't know.
He was, yeah, he didn't
I
cause the
understand
accident.
that, but
That's
I mean,
why
if
he
you're
didn't think it
driving
was
up
fair
in
that
the car,
he.
you got two racing cars that are on the track, and the guy leading is taken out by the last
So
car
where
in
are
the
you
line, but he
three on
crashed.
that lap?
Boom! Now those two cars are out. Do these cars get affected by that?
I'm up
Yes,
there.
these cars are going to go
5,
past
3.
those two cars. So
See, the
those-
one that caused the crash should be the one
Who's the
that
other
gets
person?
him back, but the one that was the
5, 3,
victim
1.
of it
Should not.
should not.
the one that
That's
was
what he was trying to say.
5,
Yeah.
3, 6. So
Kind of. I mean, he
5,
wasn't very serious about it
where's-
because he didn't care that much. What?
3 and 6.
What are we talking about?
5 is there.
Yep.
3 is
Okay.
there, and
There's
6 is right there.
So there was their differential on that.
Well,
Yeah.
I was just going off the.
From
if you're
second,
out,
third,
you're out.
fourth.
I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
well,
was
yeah.
a very
you have to
close.
get placed back on the track. You're out. Whether you're the first car in the race getting say there's 6 cars. No, the first place gets taken out by
Oh.
6th place.
Yeah.
What difference does it make if
Too
it was
bad.
second that took him
Both
out,
out.
third took him out, fourth took him
Yeah.
out, and fifth took
Well
him out?
done, Neal.
Which difference
you.
does it make? He's out.
That was fun.
And
Okay,
you
should I
don't place
leave?
cars in
Are we
front
ready?
of
Bring
cars
back up?
that are not.
That
You're,
Yeah.
you're out. The wreckage that's out of the way of the cars that are racing.
The only
I-
exception to that, I think, is when it's right in front of
Is
the
that
lane
you?
changer. Because if I'm
Did
being
you
placed on
get
the
the
opposite
9.6?
track and we're offset like this,
How's it doing?
I'm a lane
Press
changer.
the button.
Little ones.
I'm gonna link it. Here, I'll show you.
Okay.
If we crash
Well, one of them's
and I get put here,
Yeah, I was.
Interesting.
I'm the one who hit the button before
Oh, when it was
the
the end of
race
the game?
ended. Yeah.